that lead in the fourth quarter, and you chipped away at it, but what happened that they kind of made that separation from you?
One of the things they did a good job defending in terms of being aggressive, and then offensively, they put pressure on us. Kemba puts teams in binds, especially him in pick and rolls and dribble handoffs. Guys in hard rolls, and they had some guys make shots as well.
When you say pressure defensively, too, it looked like every time Carl touched the ball, they were sending guys left and right.
Yeah, no, they put multiple guys on him right there. And that's something that, we expect the level that Carl's played at. We expect that. And we're going to continue to get better as a team. We'll learn from that in terms of, getting open areas and then also making plays out of there, too.
Did you like the aggressiveness you saw out of Andrew Wiggins tonight?
Yeah, I did. And, 20 points. He was aggressive getting to the basket. Got to the foul line, I want to say, on 4 separate occasions. Shooting a total of 7. But, we need to continue to have that.
Tough shooting night for Tyus, but going forward for the rest of the season, obviously with Derek and Jeff out, what do you want to see from him in the backcourt as a starting point guard?
Him just to be aggressive. Him to run the team, keep us organized with things, and then also compete at a high level defensively. That's what starting point guards in this league are expected to do, and I got confidence in Tyus in that sense.
To have Charlotte go 9 of 29 from 3 is a step in the right direction from what you've been preaching on three-point defense?
Yeah, that's one thing that I say is a positive. So it's been a while since we've had a statistic like that. So that's one positive we'll take from this.